Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get decals on Roblox. First of all, open browser and go to roblox.com. Now once you open the roblox.com, now you just need to click on this create tab and make sure to open the roblox.com in desktop mode. Now once you're here guys, to get the decals, you just need to click on this dashboard from here. And when you're here, you just need to click on this developer items. Now here you can see the decals. Click on it, and as you can see, I already have 5 decals here. So you just need to click on this upload asset to get your own decals and enter the name of the decals. But before that, you have to upload an image here. You can upload any image you want, but here's a condition or the size that must be followed by your image. Like it should not be less more than 20 MB size of your image, and your decals image should be less than 8000 by 8000, and should be larger than 1024 and 1024 pixels. So make sure to upload by these guideline. And now you just need to enter your name of the decals and enter the description here, and after that you have to click on this upload button and you will be able to get your own decals. Fine. So let me click on one of the decals I have created earlier, and you can see the in configuration you will find these options. So you can choose it if you want to distribute this decal on my create a marketplace. If you want to use it in open Roblox history, you have to keep this option enabled and to use this as a image in the Roblox studio. So make sure to enable it. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.